Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore Snapchat streak without paying. If your streaks end and you will tap on restore, you have to pay. So I will show you a way how you can do that without paying. So first of all, you have to tap on your Bitmoji. Now this is your profile. You have to tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. And now you are on your Snapchat setting. You have to scroll down until you see this support section, and in support section you will find these four options. You have to tap on this second option, I need help. When you click on it, you will find these multiple options here. So you can see the second option, I lost my snap streak. You have to tap on it and now you will see these five options. And now again you have to tap on this second option, I lost my snap streak. How do I restore it? Tap on it. And now if you scroll down a little bit, they are saying that if you want to restore, you have to pay Snapchat a little bit. But if you want to do that without paying, I will show you a trick. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and you have to tap on this last option, contact us. And now you will find these options. So you just have to tap on this fourth option, I lost my snap streak, tap on it. Now again you will see the same window, but now if you scroll down a little bit you will see these options as well. Now again tap on second option, I have trouble restoring my snap streak in the app. Now again scroll down and you will see this still need help. You have to tap on this yes, and now you have to submit a request here. So first of all you have to enter the reason here. You have to tap on this a different issue, then you have to enter your username here and then the email and then your phone number, and then you have to date of attempted snap streak restoration, then you have add your friend's username you want to restore the streak with, and then you have to enter the description. The description is really necessary. So what you have to type is you have to type, dear Snapchat support team, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to report an unfortunate incident involving the loss of my Snapchat streak. I value my streak immensely and have enjoyed maintaining a consistent streak with a friend. However, due to some personal issues, my Snapchat streaks unexpectedly disappeared. Please help me to restore the streak. And then you have to tap on this submit, and after one day your Snapchat streak will be restored. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.